Alright, Fabian Reid, season completed. Number 3, that's finishing third. How would you evaluate Arnett season?
Alright, to be honest, we have a good season, you understand? If you can see we improve a lot, because last year we fell short by the quarterfinal. So this year we come out there the semi-final because we put in a whole heap of work from last year to this year. So to be honest, we have a great season. The only thing we just need for us to start whenever at the final and get the trophy to bring home, because we're the best team, no matter what. You understand? We just fall short. You understand? It's just by one game. But it's just you have to just come again and just don't say next season.
So because of one game you guys didn't go into the final, going into the next season, how does that one game prepare you guys mentally for the season ahead?
Alright, to be honest, we have to just say we fall short and this year, coming next year, we cannot do it. You understand? We cannot do it. You understand? We have to work hard. We have to work twice hard, because next year we come in, we have a same team. We just need some addition, like, if we can finish out the season, if we say, yeah, finish out the season and win. Because as I say, next season we're gonna come for the trophy next season. We just have to just continue to work hard.
What do you think about your performance so far this season?
To be honest, my performance, it's a good performance, you understand, because as you can see, 16 goals at 30 years old, even though we now really watch the age still, because age is just a number still, you understand, so we put in a good shift, because last season, we finished with 7 goals, and I tell myself, say, I come this season, I put in a whole heap of work, because I need to get the team together, and I get the leadership, and when there is a leader, you have a player as a leader, you understand, because that's how we tell ourselves, say, for we are leader, we just have to just work hard.
What are the part that Arnett can fix up? They say we have a solid team and coming to next season.
Alright, we have to get some defense, because as you can see, we have the strongest attacking force. You understand? Because if you can see, all our players scoring goals. You have players from the wing, all players from midfield scoring goals. You have our midfielder Ajuba Johnson that scored 7 goals for the season. So we just need to get some defender and just straighten up by that side, and we surely if we win the season next season.
Alright, so one last question. This is my favorite question. You guys are qualified for the CONCACAF League, CONCACAF competition next year. How are you going to prepare for that particular competition? Seeing that all the teams that we've had in the past in those competitions, we know what to expect. We know the competition there is a bit higher. So how do you prepare yourself for that particular competition?
How we have to compare yourself, because we've been there before. As I tell the guys, we have played for the higher level. You understand? Even though we don't win the competition, CFU is a more higher level, higher ranking, when you say people out there can see you. Market yourself, you understand? So what we have to come down to next season, we'll come next season for the CFU. We have just to say, we have to just work hard, market to sell, because all this you can sell players, you understand? So just tell the guys, just come next season, just put in an extra work, you understand? Because one season, by next season, we can even get 5 players out there.
Alright, well done and congratulations again.
Alright, respect.